Is your company truly ready to go public? An IPO isn't just about valuation, it's about proving your business can withstand the intense scrutiny of regulators, investors, and the public markets. Let's walk through the IPO readiness checklist, your playbook for founders and boards. Finance and reporting numbers must withstand public scrutiny. Finance is the foundation of a successful listing. Transition your accounts to IND-AS, IFRS or GAAP standards. Prepare 2 to 3 years of PCAOB or SEBI compliant audited financials. Implement robust internal controls with the SOX-Lite program. Align policies for revenue recognition, lease accounting, stock options, and earnings per share. Build a strong culture of forecasting and budgeting discipline for quarterly reporting. Upgrade your ERP and finance systems for scalability and real-time MIS. And finally, establish a strong MD&A process so management can clearly communicate performance and outlook to investors. Governance and structure. Private autonomy to public accountability. Going public means shifting from private control to public responsibility. Reconstitute your board with a majority of independent members. Establish mandatory committees. Audit, compensation, and nomination and governance. Put in place a clear code of conduct, insider trading policies, and disclosure standards. Simplify the legal structure with cap table cleanups, promoter agreements, and ESOP schemes. Align shareholder agreements with public company requirements and ensure succession plans are drafted for the CEO and other key management roles to provide confidence in leadership continuity. People and leadership management is the equity story. Investors invest in people as much as they do in numbers. Prepare the CEO and CFO for investor scrutiny during roadshows, earnings calls, and analyst interactions. Recruit leaders with prior IPO and public company experience, including roles like CFO, General Counsel, and Investor Relations Head. Build a professional investor relations function early to ensure consistent communication with stakeholders. Train finance, legal, and HR teams in public disclosure discipline. Align the compensation philosophy towards stock-linked, performance-driven incentives. And above all, ensure the organizational culture promotes transparency, accountability, and compliance. Systems and operations infrastructure must match listed scale. Public companies are expected to operate at a higher standard of systems and discipline. Strengthen IT systems, cybersecurity measures, and data protection protocols. Upgrade HR systems to administer ESOPs and stock compensation plans. Implement whistleblower and grievance redressal mechanisms. Prepare for quarterly and continuous reporting under LODR or SEC rules. Establish robust risk management and internal audit frameworks. Enhance compliance monitoring for SEBI stock exchanges and RBI requirements. And create a dedicated investor website section for financials, filings, and governance documents, ensuring transparency at all times. IPO readiness, Heat Map self-assessment tool. The Heat Map is a practical self-check framework. It evaluates readiness across 4 pillars: finance, governance, people, and systems. Each pillar is rated as red, amber, or green. Red highlights areas needing urgent attention, amber signals partial progress, and green shows readiness. This structured snapshot allows founders and boards to identify gaps, prioritize actions, and track improvements over time. It's a simple yet powerful way to measure where you stand in your IPO journey. Strategic layer beyond compliance, the narrative wins. Compliance gets you ready for listing, but the equity story wins investor confidence. Craft a compelling narrative about your market opportunity, growth drivers, and competitive moat. Define and stress test key performance indicators like CAC, LTV, ARR, and GMV. Align your financial projections with market benchmarks and peer performance. Stress test valuation assumptions through mock investor sessions and feedback. And prepare a strong crisis communication and media playbook to safeguard reputation when challenges arise. Remember, numbers build trust, but stories build value. IPO readiness is far more than a compliance checklist. It's about building trust with investors, regulators, and the market at large. By focusing on finance, governance, people, systems, and strategy, founders and boards can create a smooth path to becoming a successful listed company. Subscribe for more insights, stay informed, and stay compliant.